Make a great choice today with the 2013 CR-V. CR-V, a top recommended vehicle because of its car-like driving manners, good value, cool technology, and comfy interior. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: alloy wheels, roof rails, brake assist, tire pressure monitoring system, fog lights, retractable cargo cover, 5-piece automatic transmission with overdrive, body color door handles, compact spare tire, rear window defroster. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.